Hi children, welcome back to Maths class. Today we are going to learn dividing 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, we are going to learn dividing 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Let us see the first example. That is 238 divided by 2. Okay, so let us take the first number, that is 2. And the divisor is 2. Both are same, so we can divide. So how many times 2 is 2? Let us say the table of 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. We got 1 time 2 is 2. That is 1 time 2 is 2. Okay, so we got 1 and we are writing that 1 in hundreds place. Okay, 1 time 2 is 2. Now subtract. What is 2 minus 2? 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, what is the next step? Next step is bring down the next number. So bring down next number, that is 3. Okay, again 3 is greater than divisor. So again we have to recite the table of 2. Okay, 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So can we take 2? 2 times 2 is 4, which is greater than 3. So we have to take 1 time 2. Okay, so again we are taking 1. 1 time 2 is 2. Again subtract. 3 minus 2, 3 in mind, 2 in hand. Before 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got 1. We have one more number pending. So what we have to do? We have to bring down that number also. Okay, we have to bring down that number also. So now let us recite the table of 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. 10 2s are 20. Okay, so here we have the number 18. So how many times 2 is 18? We got 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, so we are writing 9 here. So 9 into 2 is 18. We have to again subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so we got the quotient as 119. Okay, we got the quotient as 119. What is the dividend here? Dividend is 238 and divisor is 2. Okay, so now let us move on to the next question. That is 678 divided by 6. Okay, 678 divided by 6. Again we are taking the digit at hundreds place, that is 6. And the divisor is 6. So we can divide. How many times? 6 is 6. Let us recite the table of 6. 1 6 is 2. 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 12. So how many times 6 is 6? 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, so we are writing 1 here in hundreds place. 1 into 6 is 6. What is the next step? Subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so what is the next step? Next step is bring down the next number, that is 7. Okay, again we have to find out how many times 6 is 7. So again recite the table of 6. 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 2 times 6 are 12, which is greater than 7. So what we have to take? Again we have to take 1. Okay, 1 into 6 is 6 and we have to subtract. 7 minus 6. 7 in mind, 6 in hand. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And what is next? Sit down. No, we have one more number, 8. Again we have to bring down that number, that is 8. Okay. Now how many times 6 is 18? Let us say 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, so we will write that 3 in 1's place. 3 into 6 is 18. What is the next step? Subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so we got the quotient as, what is the quotient here? Quotient is 113. Okay, so we got the quotient as 113. Here dividend is 678. Divisor is 6. Quotient is 113. And remainder is 0. Okay, now let us do word problems. Now let us see a word problem. The question is, a farmer packs 8 papayas in a basket. Okay. How many baskets are needed to pack 192 papayas? Okay, the question is, a farmer packs 8 papayas in a basket. How many baskets are needed to pack 192 papayas? Here the total number of papayas are 192. Okay, the farmer packs 8 papayas in one basket. The total number of papayas is 192 and farmer packs 8 papayas in one basket, and we have to find out how many baskets are needed. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to divide total number of papayas by number of papayas in one basket. Okay, so let us see what is the number of papayas here? Number of papayas is 192. Okay, number of papayas in one basket. How many papayas are there in one basket? There are 8. Okay, so number of baskets needed is 192 divided by 8. Okay, let us say 192 divided by 8. 3 digit by 1 digit. Okay, so let us take the first number, that is 1. 1 is less than 8. Dividend should be greater than divisor. When we take 1, 1 is less than 8. So it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to take the next number, that is 9. So 1, 9, 19. So how many times 8 is 19? Let us recite the table of 8. Okay, 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. But 24 is greater than 19. So what we have to take? We have to take 2. And that 2 we have to write in tens place. That is just above 9. Okay. 2 into 8 is 8 2s are 16. Okay, what is the next step? Subtract. 9 minus 6. 9 in mind, 6 in hand. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. And what is the next step? We have 2 here. We have to bring down that 2. We have to bring down that 2. So the number is 32, and we have to find out how many times 8 is 32. So let us say 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Okay, therefore we are writing in 1's place, that is just above 2. 4 into 2 is 32. What is the next step? Subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. So how many baskets are needed? 24 baskets are needed. Okay. So 24. Number of baskets needed is 24. Okay. We got the answer as 24. So to pack 192 papayas, we need 24 packets and each packet will contain 8. Okay. So now let us see the next problem. So let us see the next question. The next question is, Kavita has 292 beads. Okay. She distributed the beads equally among 4 of her friends. Okay. So Kavita was having 292 beads and she equally distributed these beads among 4 of her friends. Okay. So how many beads will each one get? We have to find out how many beads will each one get. Kavita was having 292 beads and she equally distributed these beads among 4 of her friends. And we have to find out how many beads each of her friend got. Okay. So what is the number of beads with Kavita? It is 292. And how many friends Kavita is having? Number of friends is 4. And what we have to find out? We have to find out number of beads each got. So what we have to do for that? 292 divided by 4. Okay, 292 divided by 4. Okay, so 292 divided by 4. Let us take the first number 2. The dividend 2 is less than divisor, so it is not possible. We are considering the next number, that is 9. So 29, and we have to find out how many times 4 is 29. So let us recite the table of 4. Okay, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Here it is 29. So 32 is greater than 29. So we can't take 8. So we have to take 7. 7 4s are 28. So we are taking 7 and we are writing that 7 just above 9, that is in tens place. Okay. So 7 into 4 is 28. Subtract. Okay. What is 9 minus 8? 9 in mind, 8 in hand. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So we got 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. What is the next step? Bring down the next number, that is 2. Now we have to find out how many times 4 is 12. Okay, again recite the table of 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. What we got? 3 times 4 is 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay, now subtract. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so we got the quotient as 73. What does that mean? It means each one got 73 beads. Okay, how many beads did each one got? Each one got 73 beads. Okay, so I hope you understood the division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So thank you children. See you in next class.